Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello, my name is Natikotul Asania. With my live student number is 2100. In this video, I will present the drafting of the motion is the House will let the government fully own and manage all public transportation in Indonesia. So, this is video. Okay, the first I want to explain the government point of view. The first is the issue. Public transportation in Indonesia is currently fragmented, unreliable, inefficient, and often inaccessible, especially for people in rural area or from low income background. And the next is the status quo. Public transportation in Indonesia is a mix of operators. That is the government-owned operators like Transjakarta, Transjateng, MRT, and extra. And also have the private operators like the angkot, bus, or company of driving service like the Grab and Gojek. And the next is company of taxi, for example, is Bluebird. But in Indonesia right now, have the problem that is unequal access, especially in rural area. The proposal create a centralized national agency to oversee operation planning and budgeting. And I think the opening of the government say that Indonesia transportation development can increase employment that reduce unemployment. And the closing government say that social equality answer that accessibility for the disabled and rural communities who are currently underserved. And the anticipation of the opposition point is the opposition say that the government is inefficient and corruption maybe. So that's an argument for the better governance, not public pressures and accountability system. Government service can be efficient as seen in the Transjakarta and MRT, especially in the Jakarta city. Next is opposition POV. The first is the issue. The real problem with Indonesian transportation is under-regulation and lack of investment. Giving full control to the government won't solve the issues, but will create the new problems, that is the corruption and low responsibility. And the next is our stance and the status quo. We oppose full government control, but do not define the current system. We propose a counter model, that is to maintain a mixed system or hybrid system of the government and the private operators. The argument of the closing opposition is employment and informal sector disruption. Many Indonesians works in informal or small scale that have the using the transportation is the angkot, ojek, and extra. Full nationalization would destroy livelihoods or push people into poverty. And the next is the anticipate of the government point and rebuttal. The government say that the nationalization ensure equal access for all, but the opposition team believe that we can achieve that through target subsidies and public-private partnership, not ownership. So the government and the private ownership or private operators can be the partnership. So the rural roads can be incentivized or investment. The operator can be investment of the government. So, okay, that's all for me. Thank you very much, and wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.